Creating a blog on Weebly is simple and can be done in a few easy steps. Here's how. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log in with your account credentials. Open your website editor. From the Weebly dashboard, select the website you want to add the blog to, then click Edit Site. Add the blog page. In the website editor, click on the Pages tab in the top menu. Click the Add Page button, then select the blog option. This will create a new blog page on your website. Set up blog settings. Name your blog page and decide where you want it to appear in your navigation menu. You can also adjust the SEO settings, such as the page title and description, for better visibility in search engines. Create blog posts. Once your blog page is created, click on it to start adding posts. Click the New Post button, enter a title, and add content using the editor. You can also add images, videos, and other elements to your posts. Publish your blog. After creating your posts, click Publish to make your blog live on your website.